7.4i. Have a look. Public exam question again. Let's see. S is a sum of two parts. Okay, so the first part varies as t. The other part varies as square of t. Square of t. That means this. The table below shows the certain pairs of values of s and t. Okay, that means this, for example, this one, when t equals 1, s equals 33. When t equals 2, s equals 56, like this. Part A, express s in terms of t. Okay. Part B, find the values of t when s equals 40. So if you solve part A, I think you can solve part B. And C, use the data given in the table, plot the graph of s against t for t in between 0 to 7 in the figure below. Read from the graphs of the values of t when the value of s is greatest. Okay, so let's start. Part A, you need to write the relations between s and t. So partly ss, so s equals k1t, and partly s the square of t, so k2 t square, where k1, k2 are non-zero constants. Okay, so now you can solve it. For example, s equals 33, then t equals 1, so k1 plus k2. Simple equation for the first one. Second, 56, t equals 2, so 2k1 plus 2 squared, that means 4k2. Okay, so now solve the equation. Maybe 2 times the first equation minus the second one, and you found that 66 minus 56 equals first one, that means 2k2 minus 4k2, right? So you found that k2 equals -5, and after solve it, k1, you see that it equals 38, right? As a result, s equals 38t minus 5t squared. This is the relation between s and t. So express s in terms of t. Correct. Okay. Part B. Find the values of t when s equals 40. So 4 equals 40. Substitute this one into the equation in part 1, and you found that 5t squared minus 38t plus 4t equals 0. And you see that t equals 1.26 or t equals 6.34, right? If you solve by quadratic formula, and you found that t equals 19 plus square root of 161, and then all over 5. Okay, both correct. Okay. Part C, using the data given in the table and then plot the graph against s against t in this range. Ask you to read the value of t from the graphs when the value of s is the greatest. What do you think about this one? Or we say that this one, yeah, this one as the quadratic function, right? Remember quadratic function? That means it's a parabola, right? Now with a smaller than 0, this one, -5. So opens upward or opens downward, yeah, it should be like this. So after you plot the graph, you can find the greatest value and then find the value of t. Okay, because this one, s is the greatest value. Okay, so try by yourself, and then you can plot the graph to find the value of t. Okay, actually this one asks you to find it from the graph, but you can check your answer by yourself. Do you know why? HK form of a quadratic function, you can find k because k equals to negative delta over 4a, right? So k equals 4ac minus b squared, and then over 4a. Now a is negative 5. And you found that this is the greatest value, right? But the question asks you to find the value of t. That means find h. What is h? Do you remember? Yeah. Negative b over 2a. So what is b now? b is 38. Negative b over 2a. Okay, so you see that this one is negative 3 point, no negative sign anymore, right? So it should be equals 3.8. After draw the graph, you check that it should be about 3.8. Remember, if the question asks you to find from the graph, this part you can just you just do it in your draft paper, okay? And you can check the answer by yourself. Okay, try it now.